Hey, this is Robert, Rat Nation. We're out here in Fairfield. A great time, great day. We're out here and visit with some people, and look what I found. Look, you're gonna like this jewel right here. This truck belongs to Alyce. She's gonna tell us a little bit about her truck. We are having a great time in Fairfield, Texas. If you miss this, you can't miss it next year. I'm gonna call Alyce. She's gonna talk to her about her truck. Come in with me, Alyce.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, I'm just so glad to have you here. What's your name?
Alyce.
Alyce, tell me about it. Tell me about your truck.
Well, it's an 83 K10, not a Blazer. I go through that a lot. 83 K10, got 350 board over 30 performance cam. Switched out the carburetor to an EFI. Basic truck.
A tribute truck.
Yes, it is a tribute truck. I bring it so veterans can sign it and see, because all this,
Right.
love them.
So it's a tribute to your family?
My dad served in the Army, and I just wanted veterans to have something, an appreciation for everything that they sacrifice.
Great idea. You know, we go quite a bit, and we looked at this truck, and this is such a great idea. And I know the other veterans appreciate what you're doing, not only just veterans, but people. I'll tell you what I'd like to do. I know you said it was named kind of for and after your dad, and that's that.
Name's Tank.
Name's Tank. I was going to ask you what the name of this guy was.
It rides like a tank.
Yes, but you know, it's fun. So you got it here, and people come out, they take the pen, right?
Yep.
Sign the truck.
Out here and let them sign it. And we've got some pretty old signatures on here.
Wonderful idea.
Men that have actually seen other men's names for 65 years in the service.
Great idea. Great deal. Thank you for that. I'm gonna get behind this mic and this camera, and let's turn it around, and I want you to show us around a little bit. You don't actually have to raise the hood. You do what you want to, and I'm gonna follow you around.
What to do? He speaks for himself.
All right, let me turn it around. All right, here we go. Let's look. So what we've done right here is you've kind of got some ammo boxes and some other cool stuff.
Sure. Yep.
And so people get to look at it. I know you've got it dressed up camo style, and which fits right in with this program. So let's walk around and see what else you got going.
Okay.
Go ahead in front.
All that is just,
So this is already where you've had lots of veterans sign this guy, right?
yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. I've had some great signatures just because of the history behind it and the stories that they share. And I've actually had some wives ask me if they can sign their husband's name where they passed during
Yes.
service. So it's a tribute to their family. This is not really my truck. It's a truck for the community to share their stories and carry the legacy.
A great idea.
So
You was telling me a little earlier about the interior and things that you've done, and I'm gonna get a shot of that while we're talking. She said that there's some pictures and the inside of the truck that she's worked on. Just a great idea and a great job.
First modification was American flag.
Yes, sir. Her dad was a Vietnam veteran, and she's done this tribute to support not only the members of Vietnam, but the members of all armed services.
Yes, and that was the number off of his tank.
Great.
I don't know what it means. I wish I knew somebody that.
We'll get a shot of that. I bet we'll get some. Info back from it.
That was the only number I could read off of his tank.
There you go.
I think that tank, he was in Germany at the time. So that was my very first signature.
Alyce, how long did it take you to restore this guy?
Less than a year.
Really?
Less than a year.
I know your husband works on cars and trucks too. He tells me
he's a big help.
Yeah, that's. I met him, and before we get through, I'm gonna talk to him a little bit too.
See, this right here, I wanted to do. My friend made this plaque for me because I have a scar across my throat, and that is my theme. My thyroid was pulled because 2 types of cancer, and I didn't have any treatment, and so I kind of wanted something that goes through what the Vietnam veterans go through, just
Exactly.
cleanness, but it's still strong.
Great idea.
So,
Great idea.
As you can see, it's been shot up, so
Yeah, it looks wonderful.
just
More signatures. Boy, you guys have been around.
some of them like to put their motto that they come with.
Right.
So I want to get as many signatures as possible. I even have a picture on my Instagram page. The gentleman that signed it got a huge hole in his back where the shrapnel, I don't know what exactly went underneath all his security, his vest, everything. He took a chunk out of it.
I want to get a shot of the 50 cal up here.
My
Machine
friend who was Navy, I believe he was a SEAL, if I remember the story correctly, he made that out of a replica of his. So that's one of my personal little tributes.
We're on this side. I'll give you guys a quick shot.
Japan.
Yes, sir.
It's just like a rolling memorial, and I appreciate them trusting me with their names.
Great idea, Alyce.
The veterans deserve more than what they're getting credit for. So,
Well, we just appreciate you allowing us to come by and visit. As time goes on, I want to get back in touch with you again. So
Most
we'll see.
definitely.
This thing ought
Got
to,
Instagram
for me,
page.
yes, sir. For me, this thing ought to just look like psychedelic. Everybody ought to be on it.
yes.
All right. Hey guys, Rat Nation, we're here in Fairfield. What a tribute. Alyce, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much for showing us this and doing this for the veterans. This is Rat Nation. I'm Robert. If you like old cars, rat rods are unusual, you're going to love us. Come by and see us. We'll see you down the road.